Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can justify in WPS Office. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my document in WPS Office application. And for example, I'm going to justify all these paragraphs. Oops, sorry. If we want to justify text or paragraph, we just need to select the text or the paragraph we want to justify. I'm going to choose this paragraph, all these paragraphs and then we're going to go to this menu. Okay, and then you just need to click on justify, or you can press Ctrl and J at the same time. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the text has been justified. This is the result. Okay, and that's all the way to justify in WPS Office application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.